this is how we chat for mass communication. Yeah, I'm again with another video. You can see I have a true wireless Bluetooth headset in front of me. See the brand here? It's called CASCHO. Yes, it's CASCHO. The box quite look decent. I've been using over the year many expensive Bluetooth headset. This is Apple, the Earpods. And also I've been using Samsung Buds. You see here this one. So I want to try something new, something different. So this is unboxing video to show you how is the product. Here you go. Information is written in UK, REP, Republic of China. Something else, this EC, whatever. Beside you have some barcode if you want to know more things. A barcode, also QR codes. Model number BX17, the Volt 521. Wireless band is written. Other information and all that. Made in China, obviously all the products are made in China. Let me open this lovely looking Bluetooth headset. Wow. Activate 2 years guarantee, so you have 2 years of guarantee this product. Here we go. Wow, it looks beautiful, to be honest. Wow, beautiful casing, very beautiful, elegant. We see what we have more inside. Take this off. You have a manual, lovely. You have time, read that. You have one small box here. There we go. I think you have a connector. This is C port, lovely. USB 2 to C port, very good. And yeah, you have some buds, some cushion if I'm not wrong. Here we go. You have some extra buds, extra cushion for here to adjust your size. Good. Put all of this one side. Wow, I'm impressed by the box. You see the Samsung Galaxy Buds, the box you can see here. This is Apple Earpods, you can see in cover. So the size, if I put them close, you can see Samsung one, this one, and Apple. This is little bit bigger in size. Let me take out from this pack, push one side, this one. There we go. Magnificent. Okay, I can take this beautiful there. Lovely. I take out one. Magnificent. They look quite handy. The best part, when you're running, you are driving, this will not go down from here. It's not as Samsung or other one or Apple. Sometimes they fall, they drop. So magnificent, this one. Beautiful. You have 2 buttons. I can see directly here, 1, 2, you have 2 buttons. There we go. You can change the cushion. Here the other one. Lovely. If I compare with Samsung, take out this one, you see how it is. Samsung one side by side. This look almost similar here, the Samsung. But this one has something like this. So put back Samsung one. And if I compare with Apple Earpods, here we go, Earpods 2. So how they are side by side, you can see the hole and all that. So very lovely box indeed. You can see more information is right in here, very light. Same as other here, you see the charging point. The same as Samsung, this one is digital, the display. Apple, Samsung, they don't have digital display. See number and the charging indicator, 2 of them the charging 96%, the box is 95%, something like this. Beautiful. So this is unboxing, guys. If you guys like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. As always, for more information, go to the Ask Communication, www.askcommunication.com. Have a lovely evening. Take care. Till then, bye.